guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy. Things are getting pretty festive around here. I'm so excited to be sharing today's videos with a DIY Christmas gift idea that you guys can kind of start getting some ideas for a Christmas gift to create for your friends or your family. So today we are going to be making a DIY home decor gift, which is a little cute Bohemian Macrame coaster. I hope this tutorial is easy to follow and you guys will want to make them too. Let's get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like buttons below, and if you are not already part of our DIY family, hit that subscribe button and hit that little notifications bell so you know exactly when I upload every Wednesday. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!